What up, YouTube universe? I'm back. Just got out of the shower, so I'm gonna fix my hair up real quick, get all that ready. And yeah. So I did find my camera. It was wrapped in one of these big boxes on the garage. So that's a good thing. I did find it. I'm so happy. But the problem was, it was dead. And so, right now, I'm charging it. Well, not charging it. I put new batteries in it. Found some really old pictures from like 5 years ago, 10 years ago. It was weird. But I'm missing the USB cord, so I can't upload videos or anything to the computer until I find it. So. So, get that situated one day. Sorry the video came out so late yesterday. I don't know, the internet is super slow yesterday for some weird reason. And I just didn't want to upload correctly. I had to try it 3 times and I just gave up. So, I came back later last night and retried it. Or it was around 1, I think. But yeah. Get my contacts in. There we go. Oh, that felt weird. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, all done in here. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I'm back. Just got my stuff in the bathroom. We're about to go eat lunch somewhere. Somewhere with my dad and sister. And then, oh yeah, Five Guys. Five Guys, yeah. That's what it was. Get some good Get a nice huge hamburger and fries. They got amazing fries. Oh my gosh. Alright, and then we are coming back home to pick up my mom, and then we'll go to a furniture store. She wanted to look there for something. I don't know. So, here's my kid. Here's my kitty kid. My kitty kid. You silly. Her name's Katie. Oh, she's awesome. She's a beast cat. Look at her. See her love? She's so cute. So anyways, she's pretty fat too, if you didn't notice. So, yeah. Oh yeah. What did I do with it? Oh yeah. Alright, so here's my camera. The little tripod thing. So it works and everything, but I don't know where the little cord went, so I can still take videos, I just can't upload them. So, and I don't want to take videos on it yet, because that's just a waste of space if I can't ever find the cord. So, yeah. So, hopefully, find the cord eventually. Actually, no, let's look for it right now. Actually might be in one of these. Oh, crap. Might be in this box and I just didn't see it. Alright, let's get this one. Alright, so. Alrighty. I think I figured that wasn't it either. Let's try it again. You never know. I was thinking about getting a GoPro. I was looking at the prices and stuff earlier, and I think I could get one. So if I ever get to like a water park or something, or amusement park, whatever, you know, I'll take that and show you guys what I'm doing and all that. So that'd be awesome. Maybe we'll find another cord. So. Yeah. So, yeah. Is this it? I don't know. Find out in a minute. I think it is. Yes. Yes, found it. Alright, so I can take videos on this camera and upload it now. Sick. Alright. Awesome. Alright, so I'll keep that together. That should be awesome. Alrighty. We're all set. Yes. So, since I do have my camera now, I'm gonna start doing longer vlogs. So, yeah. I would do longer vlogs throughout the day, we're doing, what I'm doing with my family and all that. So that should be fun. I'm pretty sure you guys are looking forward to that as well. I am too. I think it's gonna be awesome. Please hit the subscribe button, like button, any comments or things I should improve on for the videos, challenges, whatever. I'll do it. I'm down for it, literally. Love you guys. Peace out.